But obviously, good news is that when I met a number of those leaders in this so-called opposition side, as they call it today, the response has been very positive. They understood that the way forward is for us to form the next government. It is not being just opposition, to replace the present Barisan Nasional so that we can provide a better future for Malaysia. So if that is the stand that all the respective parties take, then obviously we have to find a winning formula. What is the winning formula? Obviously one is to make sure that we work together. We have to iron out whatever the differences that we have. You know, there are problems among the respective parties, which we acknowledge. But these are the challenges that we have to undertake. I think with Don's present and our present here, we could sit with all the leaders concerned. Let's see what are the issues and problems. And I do not think those are insurmountable. It is something that is doable, especially if they look at the present situation when Barisan Nasional support has been declining and declining and declining. The situation on the ground, as I said, is so fertile for change. I believe 100% of you in front of us are all supporters of the Bersatu ini. The situation is so good, and people want change. And I think the leaders in the respective component of opposition party, as they call us today, understand that. But we have problems, and I don't want to say that there are no issues and problems, but I think if we can take things properly, in order of priority. What are your priorities? Priorities is to provide Malaysian the viable alternative to form the next government, to do better than what Barisan Nasional have done. Then you can set aside your differences and let's talk as a friend. And if this can be achieved within the next few months of negotiation, I think we are somewhere there, inshallah.